This is Eleni from Yogahari Healing, and I'm finally ready to take you through the meditation practice of Samyama. Now, Samyama is a practice that comes from the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, and it's found in chapter 3.4. What it does is it brings together the last three limbs of yoga, which are dharana, concentration, dhyana, meditation, and samadhi, absorption. And essentially what we're trying to do is cultivate concentration, which then leads to meditation, and then meditation eventually leads to this experience of samadhi. And this is where we have an experience of ourselves that's beyond our body-mind, where the boundaries of the body dissolve, the mind dissolves, and what remains is one of pure awareness. So in order to get there though, Patanjali does state that we need to still all the heart-mind fluctuations. So still the thoughts, still the emotions, still the senses. And what I love about this practice is that it uses some beautiful objects for meditation, a sequence of a few words to completely absorb our awareness in and meditate on and cultivate a sense of inner stillness and inner silence. But what I love even more about this practice is that it begins to show you the worth of coming into silence and quietness and that inward turn and how fulfilling that inward turn can be. So let's just get straight into the practice. So just come into your easy meditation seat, whether that's a sitting position or whether you're sitting on your chair. Just be very, very comfortable. We're going to start off with a nice centering, grounding, very simple meditation practice, which can be completely okay for beginners to use as well. And then I'll take you through Samyama. Okay, so whenever you're ready, come into your most comfortable meditation seat. And then gently close the eyes. And just take a moment to finally arrive. Now this just might take a couple of moments so that you can become comfortable in your physical body. So let's begin with the physical body. Allow the weight of your body to fall evenly across the buttocks, neither leaning to one side or the other. Watching that you're not leaning too far forward or too far back. Perhaps you're practicing up against a wall, and if you have and you're using some supports, you can place a yoga block behind the back of your pelvis. Just lean comfortably back into that. Allow the spine to lengthen, lifting the rib cage, the heart up, beginning to open up the chest to allow the breath to move into the body with more ease by gently lifting the sternum up, taking the shoulders back, letting the shoulder blades come forward onto the back ribs, lengthening slightly at the back of the neck, lifting up through the crown of the head, and placing your hands onto your thighs comfortably. The palms can be down or facing up. And then begin to soften the skin of the face, iron out any creases in the forehead, softening around the eyes, the temples. And really important to soften through the jaw so that you're not holding any tension in the jaw and you're not holding any tension in the head, not holding any mental tension or physical tension in the head. And you can be aware of this by gently separating the back of the teeth. And if it helps, you can curl the tip of the tongue to the front part of the roof of the mouth. And if that doesn't feel comfortable for you, just allow the tongue to rest wherever it's comfortable. And gently drawing the eyes, the inner gaze towards the back of the head. and begin to observe how this feels. And then gently begin to bring your awareness to the flow of your breath. If you're new to meditation, simply become aware of the breath. If you're a seasoned practitioner, follow the in-breath and the out-breath. And allow the mind to settle by slowing down the rhythm of your breath. Now, if this feels comfortable for you, you can bring your awareness to the space outside of your heart. And as you gently inhale, draw the breath into the heart center. And gently release the breath from the heart center out into the space in front of you. Gently drawing in the breath, allowing the breath to caress the heart, and gradually, smoothly releasing the breath to the space outside in front of you. And continue this breath for a few moments so that you begin to become a little more settled, a little more quiet. So in a moment, I'm going to bring in a few words. Now you'll also bring in these words into your awareness, and it helps to use the language that feels most comfortable to you. So if English isn't the language that feels most comfortable to you, use whatever language is your first language. And when you bring these words into your awareness, rest in your comfortable ease. Don't contemplate the words. Don't analyze them. Just gently bring in the fuzziest feeling of the words. And then as soon as they come in, allow them to release and let go, dissolving into space. And we'll continue with 15-second intervals, and we'll do 2 repetitions of each word, 15 seconds apart, before we move on to the next one. So remain absorbed within your breath. And now in your comfortable ease and silence, bring in the slightest feeling of love. And then gently let it go. Don't think about it. Don't analyze it. In your comfortable silence, bring in the word love. Let it go. Letting it go simply, like that. Radiance. Letting it go. Radiance. unity, unity, bring in health, let it go, like that. In your comfortable ease and silence, bring in health. Strength. Don't analyze, don't think. Let it go. Strength. Abundance. Abundance. Wisdom. Let it go. Like that. Wisdom. Inner sensuality. Inner sensuality. Akasha. Lightness of space. Akasha. Bring awareness to the breath. And just feel that inner quietness, steadiness. If emotions or thoughts or memories or experiences arise, simply allow them to arise and dissolve into the space around you. Don't try to push them away. Simply be. Allow your breath to anchor you. Rest in that silent, still space for a few more moments. Resting completely in your ease, in your wholeness. And slowly, let's begin to transition from this sublime meditation practice into your day, into the world, fully immersing yourself in that feeling state that you're experiencing right now. And as you slowly transition out of the practice, see if you can take some of this inner feeling, inner groundedness, silence, presence with you into your day. And when you feel ready, you can gently begin to open your eyes. Try not to move too quickly. May this practice be for the benefit of you and all beings. I hope you've enjoyed the practice and continue to do it. See if you can challenge yourself to do it every day for 5 to 10 minutes for a week. Feel free to drop me a line on my Yogahari Healing Facebook page or Instagram page and let me know about your experience. I hope you've enjoyed that.